Welcome back to This Old Coupe. We're not going to be doing too much work on the coupe this weekend, unfortunately. But a few things we wanted to talk about. One, we've noticed a lot of people watching the videos, but nobody's subscribing. Come on, subscribe. Tell your friends. Number two, you also need to subscribe so you can tune into our next show. That's a spin-off from This Old Coupe, which is This Old Beamer. Take it away, Kim.
So this is our new 1985 735i Beamer. She's not much right now, but she will be washed, repainted, fixed. Real quick pan around. You want to tell them what we're going to be doing?
Yeah, stay tuned and find out.